Hi, I'm B. Divya Shravani from Vardhaman College of Engineering, Telangana, and I'm currently pursuing BTech fourth year in Electronics and Communication Engineering. My teammate Vishal and I have done the project Design and Implementation of Level Control Management under the mentorship of Dr. J. Krishna Chaitanya, Associate Professor at Vardhaman College of Engineering. This is the outline of a project presentation, and the objectives are: our project is used to control the amount of water being pumped up by the motor. It automatically turns on and turns off the motor when the tank is filled. So the objectives are to detect the level of water in the tank accurately, and to control the supply of amount of water being pumped to the tank, and to automatically switch on or switch off the pump according to the water level in the tank. And motivation to our project comes from the daily life situations around us. Water scarcity is one of the biggest issues revolving across the globe, and water crisis reaching the alarming level day by day. So, water conservation is one way or the other is gaining a significant importance. So, mostly water tanks are all available in all areas, including urban and rural areas. So, but the biggest disadvantage of this system is the overflow of water from overhead tank and overrunning of water pump. There are many cases when people automatically forget to turn off the motor pump even though the tank is completely filled. Then there is huge amount of water loss. So this is our motivation to this project. Introduction. Primary idea of this project is to conserve water. Automatic water level controller came into existence because of the human inconsistency that involves manually operated water pumping system. Conventional water tank needs to be controlled manually, but at times people forget to turn off the motor pump. So this water level manager automatically detects the level of water in the overhead tank using a flow sensor, and motor pump is switched on or off according to the level of water in the tank, and it also monitors the level of water in the sump. Literature review. There are many references that we have taken, like wireless automatic water level controller, smart water system for house, non-contact water level monitoring system using LabVIEW and Arduino, water level indicator with alarms using PIC microcontroller. These are the projects that are currently available in the market. First one, smart water system at house using Arduino Uno and C desktop application to reduce water wastage and energy loss. In this project, two motors are used. One is connected to the Arduino and the other one is managed by a mobile application. Motor 1 will be switched off when the tank is full and it notifies the owner. Owner can switch on or switch off the other motor whenever water is required, sitting at home, and he can also monitor the amount of water being used every day. But the disadvantage of this system is that it is wired system, whereas our project is wireless system. And the second one is non-contact water level monitoring system implemented using LabVIEW and Arduino. In this, an ultrasonic sensor is used to measure water level in the tank, and a LabVIEW program is written and the data is sent to Arduino, by which the motor is turned on or off automatically. But the disadvantage of this system is that as the sensor stays in water for a long time, it may get damaged and results may not be accurate. And the third project is water level indicator with alarms using PIC microcontroller. The design can be applied to both reservoir and main tank at home or industries. LCD is used to display the level of water, and buzzer is used to create a siren to stop the pump or water coming channel. 10 dip switches are used to indicate water level of both tanks, and in the auto mode, motor is automatically turned on when water level reaches 20% in the tank, and it is turned off when water level reaches 100%. Comparative analysis between the existing projects and the proposed model. Water level controllers which are currently available in the market are all wired systems, whereas the project we proposed is a wireless system. And ultrasonic sensor and water level sensors are used for measuring the water level, whereas we use flow sensor, which is used to measure the level of water. And block diagram. The design of project contains transmitter unit and a receiver unit. A project consists of a flow sensor, a transmitter, receiver, and microcontrollers. Flow sensor measures the level of water present in the tank, and the information is transmitted through a transmitter connected to the microcontroller, which is Arduino Nano. Then the information is received by the receiver connected to the other microcontroller, which is also Arduino Nano. Then the amount of time for which pumping has to be done is calculated by the microcontroller, and the pump is operated accordingly. Then the working of the project: amount of water that flows into the overhead tank is calculated by flow meter, which is connected at the outlet of the overhead tank, and the information containing the level of water is sent to the receiver using transmitter calculated for every hour. On receiving the data, pump is turned on or off with the help of microcontroller Arduino Nano. If the capacity of pump is X liter per hour, then the amount of water that can be pumped in 1 second is given by X divided by 3600, which is 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds, and water pumped up per second is 5 into X by 1000, 18. Assume the amount of water present in the tank to be Y liter, then the total amount of time taken to fill Y liters in the tank is obtained by the amount of water outflowed multiplied by water pumped per second, which is 18Y into 1000 by 5x, which is 3600 Y by X. This is the final pick of our project, and results and discussion. Results at the transmission side show the volume of water at the outlet. At the receiver side displays the total volume of water outlet and the time taken for which motor was on. Water flowing per every hour is monitored and sent to the microcontroller, which turns the pump on and off. Expected deliverables: water can be conserved up to a certain extent. Overhead water tank is always maintained full, and automatic water levels are capable of controlling the functions of the motor and help to reduce the consumption of electricity. This is the poster of our presentation of our project, and conclusions are: the system uses a wireless approach, and flow meter is used to detect the level of water. If it is used on a large scale, it can provide a major contribution in the conservation of water for us and in the future generations also. To design the system, we used low-cost microcontroller as a platform and local materials. Our target was to design a system in such a way that its components will be able to prevent the wastage of water. The whole system is automatic and does not require any manual intervention. So the implementation of water level controller helps in preserving water to maximum extent, which can indirectly help in reducing the scarcity of water. Future scope: automatic water level monitoring has a good scope in future, especially for agricultural sector. There are in any areas where we need water level controller. It could be agricultural fields, overhead tanks, etc. By using 3 water level sensors at 3 different levels from the ground, water can be supplied to the field using motor according to the water requirements of the crop in the agricultural sector. And these are the references we have followed, and thank you.